iFFalcon S53 Android TV launched in India. Check out the details. iFFalcon has launched a new affordable smart TV called the iFFalcon S53 in India. iFFalcon S53, specs and features. The new iFFalcon S53 TV has a 32-inch bezel-less LED display, which is HD ready. It comes with support for HDR10, a 60Hz refresh rate, and True Color Tech for enhanced colors. Plus, the TV supports micro-dimming. The speaker boxes provide a sound output of 24W and come with Dolby Audio. There are a few sound modes like Standard, Dynamic, Music, Movie, Voice, Game, and Sports to enhance the audio experience based on the content. It also comes with the iPicture Engine 2.0 for enhanced picture quality and audio based on the environment. The S53 TV is powered by a 64-bit quad-core processor, along with the G31MP2 GPU. It has 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage. The connectivity options include 2 HDMI ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, Bluetooth version 5.0, and Wi-Fi. Android 11 TV provides access to a plethora of apps, games, and OTT platforms, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and more, via the Google Play Store. The smart TV also has support for Google Assistant and built-in Chromecast. Price and availability. The iFFalcon S53 Smart TV comes with a price tag of 12,999 rupees and can be purchased from Amazon and Flipkart.